3, 2, 1.
Good morning. We are Cold Front Winter Apparel, and our heated jacket, product name is Front Heated Jacket. My name is Chucky North, and today we're going to share with y'all a product overview, cost structure, marketing strategy, product design, and we'll end with a conclusion. Now Tanya Boyer is going to do the product overview. Tanya?
First of all, we came up with an evaluation matrix. We came up with some criteria that our product had to meet. First of all, its complexity, the number of watts needed, cost, number of parts, and the portability. Our first choice for our product was the solar heater with battery, or electric backup. We found out that it was not very portable. We would have to have like 4 27 by 33-inch solar panels. So what I learned from that was solar on a large scale may be a good idea, but solar on a smaller scale, not so great. Our second choice was a heated stone. It solved our portability issue, the number of watts needed, but it sent our complexity through the roof, having to fit all these parts into a really small space. So here we have our final solution, which outweighed all the rest. This is our heated jacket. It is made for the cold winter months. Most of us can't work in a 72-degree temperature. We have to fight the elements. It has a heating element meant to heat the torso and upper extremities. It's made of a nylon material, which helps against wind chill. It's a great windbreaker. If you take out the inverter, the battery, and unplug a cord, it makes it 100% machine washable. And it has 3 temperature settings. And I will let Dawson take over with the cost structure.
Okay, so our jacket's comprised of about 6 key components. First being the heating blanket that we had to purchase. Now that was, first item was $22 for the heating blanket, but that all we really needed from that was the heating coils, so that did add quite a bit to our overall cost. And buying a blanket and not needing the actual blanket and only the heating coils from it. Then we also had 2 6-volt batteries at $18. The jacket itself from Salvation Army, only $7. Our inverter was another large portion of our cost. This was $35 from Radio Shack. Some sewing materials provided by Amanda at $3. And then we had some wiring, some other wiring components just at $26. So we did have to buy quite a few things at wholesale. That did raise the price quite a bit. So that could be something we could work on in the future. But that brought everything together at $111 for our total cost. What we're going to be selling the jacket at is at $169.95. It's going to give us a total profit margin of 35%, giving us a $58.95 yield for a profit. And that's kind of just showing you, representing what our cost margin looks like with our profit margin as well. And next we'll be talking about our marketing strategy, and that's going to be by Amanda.
Hello, our marketing strategy is we're targeting people who work outdoors, they commute long distances in the cold, they go outside, go hiking, camping, hunting, or they go to football games. Basically anyone who's going to be outside for a long time, or those emergency preppers who always have to have everything so that they can survive. We figure the household income that would most likely afford this is about $49,999 and more. Generally of a household size of 2 or more people. An age range of 25 to 65. Granted, that does make our market a limited market, but we only have a couple of competitors that are not online. That would be Cabela's and Harley-Davidson. Harley-Davidson being they only sell a heated vest. Ours actually have the arms, and the arms have the heating element in them as well. So Cabela's is really the only one that's not online They sell theirs a lot more than us, so our advantage is competitive cost, but our disadvantage is the lack of name recognition. We're not as big as Cabela's or Harley Davidson. We're not online. Next, for our product design is Jacinda Bonsteel.
When our team started thinking about developing a heated jacket for the consumer, we thought what a great idea it would be to utilize a heated blanket to use the heated coils to distribute around the core of the jacket to distribute the heat. And so that is exactly what we did. We took a heated blanket and we cut out the heated coils and the heated controller, which you see right here, and we ended up with heated strips. And so that is how we were able to place them around the arms and sides and back. Because when you're outside and you want, in colder weather, and you want to stay out for a longer period of time, it's important to keep that core heated properly. So what we did is sew the coils in place so that they wouldn't move, of course. And we attached two 6-volt batteries to it to supply the heat. Obviously, this does add more weight than we wanted to the jacket, but for our next generation product, that is something that we are excited to work on. And you see the power inverter here, which is placed behind. So when you have the jacket on, the heated controller goes in this pocket, and the 6-volt batteries are placed in here so that you have even distribution of the weight on either side at least. So what you end up having is a wonderful product to stay outside with. As we said before, our market is from 25 to 65, and so what this does a lot is enables the elderly to maybe spend more time outside with their grandkids, because a lot of people do get colder quicker than others. So what we have is, of course, these components that are, of course, completely unpluggable to make this washable. And we are very excited about our Sunspot heated jacket. It's just a wonderful winter accessory, and overall we've been very pleased with our outcome. And again, we are so excited about this next generation product. We will get smaller inverter, smaller batteries, so that the jacket doesn't weigh as much. And of course, we'll still have the waterproof. The rain jacket that we used is semi-waterproof, but of course, for safety precautions, we will want to work on getting this outer layer completely waterproof.